Hi, this video is about our stay at the Riviera Resort in a deluxe studio preferred view room. We stayed here back in July of 2022. It's an absolutely beautiful resort and I can't wait to show it to you. The outside of the Riviera Resort is so pretty. And now let's get to the room. Here we go inside. And as we go in, there's this little bitty table that you can put here. I'm gonna go ahead and put my magic bands right there so you can see. It's kind of tiny, but it's good for if you want to leave your phone there so you don't forget it or something like that. Here's the master lighting, so you can just push that button to turn all the lights off, I believe. There's a nice mirror here. We'll get to the bathroom in a minute, but you can see it through that reflection in the mirror. Here's the closet as you come in, and if we open it up, there's a ironing board and a vacuum cleaner and a luggage rack, plenty of hanger storage there. There's an extra pillow and blanket, 2 sets of those, and an iron. Here's the wall safe. And here is the laundry service. And these were the prices as of July 2022. If we go on into the room, so there's the main door. Off to the right of the in our room of the door were these little hooks. They were great for putting your backpacks for the parks and things like that, or if you had a coat, I guess, or even raincoats to let them dry out if it had been a rainy day or something. That would be nice. Here's the shower. Plenty of room in the shower. It's a very spacious shower with a rain head and another, I think that was a removable nozzle as well. They do have there's a little nook here if you need to put your razor or any products that you brought for the shower. And then they do have those full-size products within the shower itself. Here's the toilet area. Sliding doors there, and here is the vanity. It has a makeup mirror here, and then down below there's some storage area too. It was kind of nice because here's the soap and some lotion. I'll share what I was going to say in just a minute, and Kleenex, and then here's a little bit better view of the storage down below, hair dryer. But what I wanted to say was it was really nice. There's the makeup mirror, lit. I believe you can light it. It had a light on it. You can separate this area, so if someone's taking a shower, then this area is open. You don't have to, it doesn't have to be closed off. This vanity area, and also this shower with the bathtub in it, is closed off from that other shower area with the toilet in it. So that was kind of nice. I guess 2 people could really kind of get ready at the same time. Here is the little kitchenette. There is some storage underneath here with some extra things in case you need them. There's a bigger dorm size refrigerator, it's a little bit bigger. A full-size coffee pot and paper towels. Here is a toaster and some cups and things. And they also leave paper plates and things like that, and paper bowls. And then there's the Joffrey's 50th anniversary coffee. And they had some tea and things like that. There's the ice bucket and some little water cups too, disposable water cups. Here's the bed. I think it has really pretty decor in here. It was really beautifully appointed, I thought. They even put that little Mickey Mouse on the bed with the towels. That was cute. Plenty of room in here. We had just gotten off the cruise, so this seemed very spacious to us. This pulls down into a bed with this cute little scenery back here. Look at this, so cute, from Rapunzel. And just folds right back up. So cute. There are some plugins here. The TV was above that. And then if we go over here, here's your plugins here. And there's some storage underneath here. And the same thing on the other side. Let's go over there. Here's your plug-ins. And the same storage underneath there. And then don't forget about all that storage that's underneath your bed as well. There was also storage in those drawers at the end of the bed as well. Now this also folds down into a bed, and if we fold it down, I'm trying to get it, it had this cute little scene of 101 Dalmatians. It was so cute. And here's a picture of the bed. I have an actual picture of the bed let out a little bit later in the video that you'll be able to see it completely down. But there's plenty of storage in here. And then if we go outside, this is a preferred view room, but I'm not really sure, honestly, what it is preferred to, because there wasn't really anything that we were seeing. If you look out here, I mean, there's a glimpse of the pool area over there to the right. I think that's Caribbean Beach Resort farther out. Oh, here's a picture of the bed out. And I believe it is a queen size bed. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure it was a queen size bed. Isn't that little picture so cute of the 101 Dalmatians? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day wherever you are.